Very warm good morning to all. Today we are introducing our automated washroom sanitizer. According to the recent survey we conducted in which students from local school participated, revealed that in schools after recess and early morning, washrooms are not clean due to the lack of manpower or lack of water facilities at school. At times water is available but often students do not close tap or flush the toilets which create a situation of unhygienic condition for other people to use. Also, according to the annual Status of Education report ESSA 2020, 1 in 10 rural schools is without the toilet facilities. Where toilet exists, one only two is usable. This kind of problems will get worse in the post-COVID era, in which schools will be reopening. So we propose a solution of automated washroom sanitizer, which will solve all this problem of unhygienic condition by replacing it all with modern system of sensors and taps, which will be without any contact sanitize the used area.
Functionalities and salient features of the proposed prototype are: first, as part of COVID-19 protocol, this technique is completely contactless. Second, it is beneficial to many people as this can be implemented at various public places too. Third, this system is heavily based on technology, so this will require no need for manpower. Fourth, this will also ensure no wastage of water resource used while washing hands. Fifth, according to DISC 2009-2010 NUEPA, New Delhi, the functionality of toilet facilities in school is less than national average in 13 states, which implies that our proposed solution will help in ensuring safe sanitization for children in the school. This solution is also very cheap in comparison to the existing system of smart toilets. Overall, this will ensure a safe, sanitized environment for schools in post-COVID era.
Now discussing about the on-ground implementation, the tap of the flush tank of the washroom and the sanitization of the washroom will be controlled by pressure sensors installed outside the door of the washroom on the floor. As a result, when the person puts his or her foot near the door, the flush tank of the commode will be activated, cleaning the used area. And the sanitizer sprayer fixed at the top of the washroom will sprinkle the sanitizers, sanitizing the room before the person enters. The moment he lifts his or her leg, the mechanism stops after using the washroom once he is out. Again, the feet of the person will step on the pressure sensor, hence cleaning the washroom again. It prevents excessive loss of water and keeps the room sanitized and contactless also. And according to the UN Sustainable Development Goals, it adapts 3, 6, and 11 of it.